Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are available to watch this. We are going to continue in Unit 6. Today we're going to do Unit 6, Lesson 4. Unit 6, Lesson 4 is all about evaluating expressions with square roots. Okay, so we're going to take some square roots, going to take some exponents as well, and we're going to evaluate some of these expressions. So let's get into it. First page of our notes, evaluating expressions with square roots. You want to remember your order of operations. Remember, we typically had PEMDAS before, but we changed that up. We changed that to gamma, G-E-M-A. And remember, gamma means groupings, so parentheses, brackets, more than just parentheses, which is why we're calling it groupings instead. And then we have exponents. That's the same as before. Exponents, which would be squares and square roots. So if you have like a square or a cube, that's an exponent, but also square roots, and in order left to right. So if you have both of those in the expression, you would work left to right. Then we are going to multiply and divide left to right, and then add and subtract left to right. Again, gamma, G-E-M-A. Let's do some evaluating here. No, this is actually just solving. I'm going to show you just how to do this mentally, and then I'm also going to show you how to do it on a calculator for those of you who want to do it that way as well. So we have the square root of 36 minus 2 squared. Well, the square root of 36, that can be simplified. That is a perfect square. Square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 equals 36. So the square root of 36 is 6 minus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. And again, we have to simplify using that order of operations. Groupings, there's no groupings, exponents, and square roots. And then we go left to right. So we start here, and then we do here. Then we just simplify. 6 minus 4 is just 2. So my answer is 2. Let's see that on a calculator. Okay, we had the square root of 36. I'm going to go outside my square root symbol, and we're going to take away from that 2 squared. Again, our answer should be 2, which is what we got over here. Answer was 2. Awesome. Let's try another one. 25, the square root of 25 plus 4 squared divided by 8. This one's going to be a little bit different because you have some plus and division, so your order of operations are going to have to be taken into account here. So first, left to right, exponents. We don't have any groupings, okay? Left to right, exponents and square roots. Square root of 25 is 5, plus 4 squared is 16, and then we divide by 8. And 4 squared is just 4 times 4. Not 4 times 2, 4 times 4. Same thing over here. 2 squared is 2 times 2. Because you have 2 twice, this one you have 4 twice. So next step, if we're talking about our order of operations, we want to do 5 plus 16 divided by 8 in the right order. Groupings, don't have any. Exponents, got rid of those. Next, M, multiplication and division, left to right. So where's our multiplication and division? Well, it's right here. So we need to do that first. So we're going to do 5 plus 16 divided by 8, which is 2. Then we can continue and say, well, what's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's check to see if that is the right answer. Send my page a little bit here. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's check our calculator. Square root of 25. Square root of 25 outside my radical plus 4 squared divided by, let's go back one. Gotta go over. Oh, messed it up. Divided by 8. And we say 7. Was that the same thing we got before? It was. Awesome. That's it for page 1. Come back for page 2 and do some evaluating expressions. Have any questions? Let me know. Have a great day.